Hey, Facebook friends and family, it's Anthony Tejada from Equity One Realty, and I am out here in Deltona to show you my brand new listing. This listing is not on the market yet, it's off property. I just want to give you a look on this off-market property. It's about to go on the MLS very soon, and we're going to show you through this beautiful home. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home in Deltona. No HOA at 190. So it's a beautiful home. I'm gonna spin this camera around so you can take a look. So guys, if you like this house, if you love this location in Volusia County, Deltona is a beautiful city. It's a growing city. And you love the price, $190 for a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home. Give me a call at 321-442-0102. I'd love to help you and your family out. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Have a good day.
Hear the people laughing, smiling, being happy. I wish that every day of the year could have the love that we feel on Christmas Day. Every hear the
Hey, Facebook friend and fam. It's an off-market property, and I just wanted to take you on a sneak peek of what's coming out on the